All right, guys, I guess there was a serious accident here. I had a hard time finding it, but it's up here on Harbor Drive. And this is a bad one. So they're thinking it was a possible DUI, but I didn't hear that get confirmed. But they're going through the car. This guy went into the driveway and hit that car. So we're up here or down here in the south end of town. Now, I don't know if the driver was here when they got here or not, but they do have Alex Towing out here who's going to tow it. So is he going to tow it from the back or the front, or do we know? But, yeah, he did a number on it. So the Hemet PD are out here. And, like I said, he did a number on it. His poor van is just sitting in the driveway and gets hit. Can't even park in your driveway anymore. But they said it was a possible DUI, or that's what the fire department believed. They suspected that, so they had the police come out to check it. So you have a police officer there, you have a police officer over here. Wow, they cracked that really good, didn't they? So I'm not live only because I didn't know what I was going to find here, so I didn't go live. But, we got somebody behind us. But if it turned out to be a DUI, I hope they got the guy. I hate people that do that. I don't know how he ended up on the sidewalk, though. How this guy ended up on the sidewalk like that into the driveway. So the tow driver's gonna pull up and tow it, I guess. But wow, he did a number on that thing, man. And again, we're out here on Harbor Court, or Harbor Drive, one of them. It's in the south end of town. So when he pulls the vehicle out to tow it, I guess that's when we can see it. He's gonna have to back up and do it, huh? Yeah, I don't know if the police chief has seen my email or not, but he never got back to me. Maybe he just doesn't email people, I don't know. And I'm almost like an anti-phone person. I just don't talk. The only person I really talk on the phone to is mom, my wifey, and people I have to talk to on the phone to, but this officer here is giving statements. Oh, he's taking pictures, I think. Let's see if he's... Oh, there's another car over here, huh? Let's go see what this is. Oh, shit. So I didn't see this one. This one's damaged too. So, wow. Ouch. So how did that car end up there? You can see his tire marks here. Holy crap. So we had two vehicles. I don't know how the hell that one ended up over there. They must have been racing. So we got someone filming us now, I think. Not sure, but we'll see. So he's gonna, how you doing? Huh? Oh, sure. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Yeah, he's filming the accident too. So he's gonna pull the car out and then we're gonna see what's going on here. Holy crap, dude. This is crazy. So you can see the fluid coming out of the bottom of the vehicle right here. Hopefully that's water from the radiator and not fuel. Probably it does. I can't smell anything, so most likely is water coming out of the radiator. And it's real clear, so it has to be water. I think if it was fuel, it would have a yellowish tint. It's definitely not oil. You can see right here all the water coming out of the bottom there. I was trying to see if they had somebody in the car, but they don't. No, they don't have anybody in the car. Well, I don't know, they would have it in there. That's a community service officer, a blue shirt. So he wouldn't transport. It'd have to be an officer that transports. But wow, man, this is crazy, yo. So, damn. So were they racing or what? And how did that one end up way back there? That's, I don't know, man. So he's gonna pull it up onto the truck now. That's just crazy, yo. And we got this one over here. He ended up, that's gotta be his truck. So he's the victim, he's most likely the victim. While the cop's flashlighting it, we'll get the front of the truck. I can't, I'm sorry, it's really dark out. But man, that's crazy, yo. All right, guys, remember, don't drink and drive. It's not worth it. Never ends well. Never ends well, guys. Thanks.